and welcome to video 2 of week 8, and the story is How to Catch a Star. This video, actually, I just said in the last one, this is the worksheets. This is actually the word of the week. So can we have a drum roll, please? The word of the week is appear. So let me put that here on our worksheet. Our word of the week is the word appear. So let's find out what it means. We shall look it up in the dictionary. Now this is going to be pretty easy because, as you know, dictionaries are written in alphabetical order and the word appear begins with the letter A. So we don't really need to go very far, do we? It's just A. Okay, so let's have a look. Appear. Okay, where is it? It's somewhere on this page. There we go. To become visible, or seen. Okay, so I've just summarized that here. Is to, I've put here, to arrive or come into sight. So let's have a quick look where it is in the story. It says here, so the next day he set out at sunrise, but he could not see a star anywhere. He sat down and waited for one to appear. So he's sitting down and waiting for one to arrive or come into sight. So let's have a look at some antonyms and synonyms. Okay, so I have the word here. Oh, disappear. Now, if appear is our word, disappear looks to me like the opposite. So I'm pretty sure that is going to be an antonym. So that's when something stops coming into sight and goes out of sight or starts to go away. So let's have a look at another word. What about the word, the phrase, become noticeable? Now, I think that's definitely a synonym. So if the star, the star's actually there the whole time, isn't it? So it's not like it just arrived, but at that time in the morning or in the evening, he's waiting for it to become noticeable in the sky. So another word we could have is emerge. That would also be a synonym. Waiting for something to emerge is waiting for something to become noticeable or to arrive or come into sight. But what about the word vanish? Now that's definitely an antonym. That is the opposite, isn't it? That's when something is going away. If it vanishes, it's disappeared, it's gone. So that's the opposite. And what about the word fade? Now I would also say that's an antonym because if something fades, it usually fades away, it goes away. So that's something that would mean the opposite of appear. So let's have one more, or maybe we'll have two more synonyms. We've got pop up. Something pops up, it's the first time you've seen it. So that could also be a synonym, or we could even have turn up. So something turns up, you might say, oh, I was sitting in my office quietly and I turned around and suddenly somebody turned up, somebody appeared, somebody popped up or emerged. I thought I was on my own, but they suddenly were there. So they are the antonyms and synonyms of the word appear. So in video 3 now, I will explain the worksheets. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.